All right, I have got a ATV carburetor here. This particular one is off of a Yamaha Grizzly 350, but majority of the carburetors will have a similar process to removing the brass cap that is over top of your air fuel screw there. Most of the time they come like this. They've got a brass cover there. Sometimes they're completely covered or completely solid. This time we've got a small pinhole here, and that is underneath of here is your air fuel screw. I'm going to show you how to remove that, and you need to be very, very careful when you're doing this. Now, any manufacturer will say do not mess with your air fuel screw. It is set from the factory, which is why they put a cap on there. But a lot of people over time, depending on riding condition and altitude or service work done to the four-wheeler, performance stuff done to the four-wheeler, will want to adjust that air fuel screw. So you need to remove that cap. What I do is I take a small screw that's going to fit right into that hole there. Now, if you don't have that hole there, and maybe ours won't even be big enough, we'll have to drill that out. Now, you only want to run this screw down a little bit. All right, once you get the screw put in there, now what I like to do is grab a pair of side dikes, grab as low as you can, and then just take and pull that out. Underneath of there will be your air fuel screw. Now, if you don't need to change that unless your four-wheeler is running extremely rough, you've gone through, put a carb kit in there, you know that you got the jets in the right place, I would not suggest messing with this air fuel screw. You can really cause your four-wheeler to run like garbage and run very, very lean or very, very rich because of this screw there. You don't want to take this screw and run it all the way in. You will shut off that supply there. So keep that in mind when you go ahead and pull that cap. You just want to be very, very careful how you go and adjust your carburetor at that point. So if you guys have questions or comments, make sure to leave those below. If this video has been helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. I do appreciate any feedback I get from you guys. Thank you very much for watching.